Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2019 Hino 268. It's a 25,950 GVW, so it comes in just under CDL. But before we jump into that walk around, we'll make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring these trucks in from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from, or we bring them from our customers' trade-ins. We go through a 150-point check, go through the cabs, the bodies, brakes, tires, engine, transmission, fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium-duty shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC cleanup, put them online for our customers to look at. On top of that 150-point check, we have done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters have been done, and this truck is pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb in, plenty of grab handles. This particular truck's got a really nice air suspension captain seat for the driver. We got a two-person bench, we got a crew of 3 can sit in here. We've got the great outward visibility and pretty good upward visibility with the sloped hood that the Hinos come with. We've got the AM/FM CD radio, air conditioning, cruise control, and the large mirrors on the truck can be adjusted from the driver's seat by the driver, and they're also heated. On those mornings where they're covered with water, ice, or frost, they can turn that on and run the water off. Nice safety feature. And even though this is a 2019 truck, you can look at it and see that it's very well kept and maintained. Be a great ride for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, they're pretty beat up, boxes are beat up, corner caps knocked out. This truck is in really, really good shape. Southern truck. It's got good rubber all the way around. It is a juice brake spring suspension. Now on the back of this particular truck, it can go dock to dock, ground to dock, or dock to ground with this really nice 3300 level ride Maxon tuckaway gate. It's 85 wide, 60 deep, so you can put a pallet and pallet jack on here, no problem. The gate gets up to the top, matches up perfectly. This body is a 26, 103 tall, 102 wide. It's about the most popular freight truck size bodies out there. We've got the Apatong hardwood slats. We've got 2 rows of E-track. We can add more of that in our body shop if you're needing more. And then we got the hardwood Apatong scuff along the bottom. Aluminum roof, nice LED dome light for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And the laminated hardwood floor in this body has got a lot of life left in it. This gate's also powered down, so it's controlled going up and down, which is a nice safety feature. Sometimes our customers coming in looking for delivery trucks, really not knowing what they're needing. We've got the large 26 footers. We've got the smaller 16 and 18 foot trucks too, depending on what you're looking for. Even though this truck is in excellent shape, we can still take this truck, wrap it with your name, your design, phone number, and graphics, turning that fuel money to advertising money while you're running down the road. Again, we got a really nice 2019 Hino 268, 25,950 GVW under CDL. It's pre-qualified for that AGWS warranty. You go to our Facebook page, go to our website, iptruck.com, and go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on, you're notified and you can take a look at it. Stick with us for a second. We're going to pop the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.